Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Will with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20994C. Nice operating Caterpillar. This unit is a C4000 model. It's a 4,000 pound cushion tire forklift. Will is going to give us an awesome demonstration. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast. There's approximately 189 inches of max lift height. Has a nice tall load backrest, very stable for your pallets or merch. 42-inch pallet forks, side shift carriage. This unit has had recent repairs, new PM service, brand new paint job. Has excellent non-marking cushion style tires. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either of our stores in Denver or Fort Collins to check out our inventory. We appreciate it very much for watching.